Welcome to the Drawing Box Studio. And today, we're going to draw Jack from Adventure Time. Let's start with his eyes first. We're going to draw them in a diagonal direction. First, we will make an oval and then fill his outer layer with a marker. Now it's time to draw his nose and mouth. We will again draw an oval and fill it too, just like I will show you. And just under his nose, we will draw his mouth and teeth. Now we will draw a connecting line here in the center of his face. Let's draw his second eye now. Okay, so we're done with his facials. Now we will draw an outline in a circular form to shape his body just like a sack of flour. And now his hands, which are pretty simple. Let's draw the second arm in this empty area. Lastly, we will draw the remaining leg and complete the drawing. Hooray! Jack is complete. And we did it in a really easy steps. Thank you for watching Drawing Box Studio. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing drawings. Have fun!